little bit heavier and a little bit more powerful, but not much. Like, it's not like we're not like we're in a Mustang or something, right? Yeah. And then like all the other parts are only slightly more expensive than a Miata, and really only because Miatas are like the cheapest thing ever, right? Like, it's not a super fair comparison. But this is definitely I like these better than the Miatas because they're fast enough. The Miatas ours got too fast, and the Miatas, like especially up until the UNDs, they don't keep up with the modern cars anymore. And so they feel bad when you're out there. And this is just fast enough. It feels good. And the chassis is stiffer.
I can tell that already.
Yeah. Tires are not warm yet. Little tires slide. Yeah, we'll let this go by.
It'd be, I can use my throttle like a light switch. No such thing as feathering. Oh, nice, she must have gotten moved up.
Give them a gap and then reel them in. Yeah, because I can like accelerate up this hill.
Yeah.
In the Miata, you feel like you got to get out and push.
Well, that's like my instructor was just telling me. He goes, gas it. I'm like, I've been gassed for 3 seconds.
Yeah, that's full throttle.
Job braking longer.
Done to it.
It's a she, unless they switch drivers.
Okay. Definitely got more grip in the tires than we've got, but we can make up for it.
5.2. Good job braking longer.
Yeah. That's the name of the guy I couldn't remember.
That's a funny time to come up with it. Thank you.
Without anybody in a mid-3 with somebody earlier, but it's hotter out today. There's less grip this afternoon. We're on the skinny tires, so.
Next right. Next left.
We are gapping the Toyota though. Be careful. Don't want to end up like that. I don't think those have reverse. He might be stuck.
Next left. Apex later.
He's probably out of batteries.
Yeah. He didn't surprise me before how fast he is, though.
Next left. Stay wide and turn in. Keep pushing.
Oh, got the black flag. Yep. Yep, those guys don't have reverse.
Is that why it's black?
Yeah. But on normal, like as hard as we're braking, we don't have any ABS going on.
Okay.
Right.
I didn't know if I couldn't sense it.
No, it hasn't kicked in yet.
Okay.
But it is nice to have as like kind of a backup. Because like as you're going through a session, your tires are getting hotter, the brakes are getting hotter. You get to the point where like you hit the same braking point and you just don't have the grip, and that's where you can get into the ABS, and that's going to keep you from flat spotting the tires.
Right.
So it's nice to have, but you don't hardly ever use it.
I got 3 track days on my tires, and I flat spotted the right rear.
Yeah. No, that's rough.
I'm still running it.
let the Hyundai buy it. He's let somebody else buy it.
Keep pushing. Next left. Stay wide and turn in. Keep pushing.
Damn Aggie would get out of your way.
Yeah.
I'm an Aggie too.
I have some friends who are Aggies. I know I got to slow down from every once in a while. He moved up from the blue group too.
Next left. Turn early.
Who's that?
Yeah, that Corvette was in the blue group this morning.
Oh, okay. Yeah, my son was super disappointed not to get
Above
the.
average.
Oh yeah.
Maybe he'll take some instructors with him more often now.
There's always more to learn.
Oh yeah.
647. Next left. Stay wide and turn in.
Yeah, gotta slow down for the Corvettes.
Keep pushing.
Nick started the same time we did. This guy in this Corvette.
Oh yeah?
He's a member out here now.
That helps. The seat time helps.
Oh yeah.
Next left. Turn in earlier. Above average. Next left. Stay wide and turn in. Keep pushing.
Oh, we got checkers. There you go.
That was fun.
Yeah, they're great cars. I love them. You know, Indy Miatas, you know, almost as fast and pretty much just as fun. So it really comes down to the difference between a convertible and a coupe.
Right?
And this is my only car, and he can do that with a VRC. He can't really do that with a Indy Miata.
Right.
And like, without putting in race seats, I don't really fit in an Indy Miata because they're the smallest Miata inside out of all of them.
Seriously.
Yeah, they're even worse for the passenger seat because it's like tilted. The NA and the ND are the smallest. The NB and the NC's the easiest.
Yeah.
NB's not bad. It helps if you take some of the foam out of the seat or lower the seat a little bit because it sits up a little high. But the ND is awful. Like it's way less space than all the other ones. So you pretty much have to put a seat in it if you're 6 foot tall. You know.
136.79.
Yeah, I'm 6 foot. I've tried 3 different brackets trying to get the seat
Yep.
as low as I can.
Yeah, you don't have to do the same thing for the
D.
ND.